Hey guys, Robert here with Wonder Off-Road, coming to you from Overland Expo West 2024. And right behind me, we got the Toyota Tacoma Trailhunter Edition. And guys, let's do a quick walk around, let's see how it looks. So, we come across the front grille. We got rigid light bars already installed from factory in the front. Really cool, really good upgrade. Now you don't have to wire in your own. We got special edition Trailhunter headlights. It is really handy right there. We come over down here to the front suspension. We got Trailhunter upper control arms. Look at that. Special from Toyota, guys. We also have really nice bronze rims. Not really a fan of this color, but hey, you know, I get it. It matches the vehicle very well. Come with rock sliders installed, and you also see you got your Trailhunter badging already right there. So really helpful. This current setup right now is going for $62,900 and comes equipped ready for the trail. Driver's seat, you have plenty of room right here. Let's hop right in. We come in, we already see that we have our trailer brakes from factory installed. Heated steering wheel. All right, we come down lower right here. We have our tow select, our crawl control, all the modes and controlling. Rear locker, sway bar disconnect, trailer towing, 4 high, 4 low, and 2 high selector switch. Gear shifter, we got a wireless wireless phone charging. We got 2 USB-C outlets, a cigarette lighter, that's always good to have, that's not in the Toyota Land Cruiser. And we have this really nice Toyota badging right here on the dashboard. But this is the big thing that I'm really impressed by right here, is that this large entertainment screen. This way you guys can see everything that's going on with this whole vehicle, really get a feel. Coming over here to the passenger seat and interior, this is nice leather seating they have installed. And since it's a Trailhunter edition, you also get this Trailhunter badging right here on the door panels. Really handy. Center console, not too much space. So I know some people that do store their firearms in the center console, and it's nice to have a deep one where you can install a vault in there. But hey, it is what it is right now. We'll come back out with the vehicle. That is the driver's side and passenger. We'll come back over here to the rear seating. A little cramped, I'm gonna say. So fine for small kids, not good for larger adults, but it's still a very nice pattern on the upholstery. We have the battery now stored down here, so you guys can definitely get in. You have your hybrid battery right there, as you can see as well. I know some of the other generations you could use this area for storage. That's no longer the option anymore, so now this is what it is. Okay, sorry. Then we got an ARB rack back here, so definitely can store some gear on the side of your vehicle while you're trailing. And beds right as well. This bed, I believe, is a 5.5 foot bed. All right, and we'll come back over here. We still have the Toyota power outlet. Very handy when you're camping and exploring. And we have an onboard, on this side, an onboard air compressor. So this is really going to be helpful, especially airing up from the trail. You also have another cigarette lighter outlet right here and a USB-C port as well. So that's really going to make it handy to air up and air down your tires after the trail. So guys, look at this. We have an ARB bumper back here as well, and really sturdy recovery points. This is definitely going to be a really good off-roader when you start seeing more of these on the trail. Really, guys, this vehicle is very handy, very neat. We got bedside lighting right here, help light the sides when you're on the trail or at camp or even at home or on the job site. So guys, check this out. This is a really nice rig, the 2024 Toyota Trailhunter Edition. Also, we got a snorkel as well. So really, guys, from factory, you're coming already ready to hit the trail. You don't need to modify anything except for one thing: beefier tires. Wonder Off-Road, we like beefier tires just because you get more traction, more action. Guys, that has been my initial walk around of the 2024 Toyota Trailhunter Edition. Guys, check this out. If you like Wonder Off-Road, you want to see more content like this, please like, comment, and subscribe. Share this with friends, share this with family. Check out the link in the description below, and you guys can help support Wonder Off-Road and keep our adventures going that much longer. Remember, guys, you can't go wrong with that. We'll catch you in the next video.